नमस्कार आणि येवकार तुमकां सगळ्यांक परत एकदा गोंयकारपणाच्या ह्या जस्ट कॅज्युअल ह्या कार्यावळींत आज आमकां स्टुडियोन जॉयन जाता एक मोठे पॉलिटिशियन लिडर ऑफ ओपोजिशन युरी आलेमांव. Actually, he's become first time MLA and first time out he's become the leader of opposition in Goa. And this is actually at this young age is a big achievement for any person, any politician. आमी जाणा की फर्स्ट इनिशियली ताका खुबशे लोक टॉन्ट मारताले, क्रिटिक्स कांयचे गजाली करताले, बट इन लास्ट फ्यू असेंब्लीज वी हॅव सीन हाव ही हॅज टेकन ही हॅज लर्नड अ लॉट and he has taken the government to the wall. Actually जे म्हणटा आमी he has put them in the corner आनी खुबशे गजाली ताणें अशे काडल्या जे एक्चुली गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन सुद्दां आन्सर नासले. CM had to intervene when the minister did not answer. So calling him on the studio today, we have several questions regarding what Congress wants to do under his leadership. He is a CLP leader also. How Congress wants to go about, what are the chances, defections, then about his future. So all these things we'll talk to him and find out what are his answers. Yuri Bab, Yokar Duga.
Namaskar.
Very first question, how does it feel to be the leader of opposition at this young age, and what are the things you are learning?
So, first of all, as you said, Suraj Bab, being a first-time legislator to being the leader of opposition at this young age, definitely it's not easy. It's a crown, mukut full of thorns. It's not very easy. Life is not very easy. Definitely, public accountability with regards to being at that position, the government has to be exposed. I must confess to you, since you say that this is a casual interview, that it's a learning process. Politics is an art of the possible. This is something that every day I'm learning how things are happening, learning from mistakes, learning from burning my hands. And definitely, today, the journey from first time being a first time MLA to seeing our seniors that were in the party to defection, from that being nominated as the working president, from that being leader of opposition at such a young age, it is definitely not easy, but learning from my mistakes, listening to the people patiently, and exposing the government. This is my role, and I believe that you should definitely have, when you look at the way things are projected in this short period of time, which last almost 4 years now, the way this government, what was needed, what is the need of the hour, what was promised, and how they are delivering with the corruption angle and all these things. I think with 3 legislators in the Congress party, or with 7 in the opposition, I believe all of us together, it is my role as well. कित्याक हांव सदांच म्हणटा टू युअर गोंयकारपण चॅनल की गोंयकारपण म्हणटाय तें राखपाक जाय. वी मायट बी इन डिफरंट पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज, बट पयले आमी गोंयकार, आनी हें गोंयकारपण जरी तो राखतले जाल्यार आमचे मदें जे डिफरन्सीस आहाय, वी शूड कीप अवे दीस डिफरन्सीस. एज यू सेड, देर वर लॉट ऑफ क्रिटिक्स अबाउट मी. आय बिलीव दॅट I took it in a positive spirit. It is something, some people were with me during the initial days, some people were not there, some people are still there. But definitely it's a learning process, and I feel that there is a change. And currently, our role has to be to expose this government.
Yuri, see, I've been into journalism for a long time, so I know how difficult it is to understand the assembly first thing. Being the first time MLA, then becoming leader of opposition immediately within 8-9 months. How difficult is it to understand the finances, the need of the state, and all those things? What you want to speak? How do you address the governor's speech? How you speak again? How did you get into all these things? Tell me one thing. See, your profession totally. You are a professional pilot, commercial pilot, and then coming to becoming a MLA and getting into all these things. because I myself I know, because it took me about years to understand the finances of the state. Okay, so how did you get into all these things?
No, it's a very simple thing, Suraj. If you look, say for example, at a very young age, if you look, I had my family was into politics. I had a political background, and at a very young age, I think at a very young tender age of 12 or 13, I used to move with my father, and I was part of most of the debates that he faced. You had stalwarts like a Manohar Parrikar who would question my dad, question the government of the day, watch him very minutely. I think these were advantages to me because I knew the process, the assembly proceedings at a very young age, following government work with my father, looking at stuff, how, what angles, what twist, what turns. So this is something that I had personally observed, uh, but I was an introvert. I never thought that I would enter into politics. This was never the thought process for me. In fact, I felt that it was accidental that I got into it. Um 2000, early 2000, I decided to take my commercial pilot training subject to get a job and stuff like that, and I was quite ahead. But I had a couple of engine failures and stuff like that. That is when my dad was Palak Mantri of Sange. And at that time in 2012, before contesting for about 3 years, I worked in every corner of Sange constituency. I remember it was also not very easy. You had most of the population were Hindus, very few minorities. They told me that you're choosing a constituency much beyond your reach.
Yeah, correct.
But the will was there to work for the people. At that time, a lot of development by not being an MLA also was initiated. Um, Various schemes of the Congress party, various RDA programs reached the corner, and that was a learning step for me. At that particular time, I remember in the year 2020, when I had almost made up my mind that yes, I would contest the 2022 polls. For 10 years later, I had asked for the procedure and business of rules from the assembly, and I read that about 3 4 times. So those rules were something that were also in my head. Uh, I believe that these things helped me out. Definitely, the exposure through my father, I coming from a political family, the assembly proceedings were something that I very observed very keenly, and it was definitely a learning step. Watching the then leader of opposition, Manohar Parrikar, at his prime, at his prime, and it was.
Did you like his speeches?
No, definitely. I think everyone were attracted to the genre that he had. He had that fire in his belly, under the name of Parivartan, and he was capable enough. That is the reason why I was not MLA in 2012. If there was one reason, a narrow margin, if I would poll more than 200 250 votes, I would have been an MLA then in 2012. But I believe in destiny. After 12, I never thought that I would come back into politics.
22.
But here it is. And it's a learning process for me. I have to make sure that एक पासेंशान लोकां गेली जेन्ना तूं social work करता, it is our duty to listen to the problems. And the biggest thing is you need patience and you need the will. And definitely, I feel that now we are heading into 2027 and the Congress party as well. And I'm thankful to the Congress party as well for trusting me with that duty. Sometimes from the being the first time legislator, I remember the first day there was a debate on supplementary demands, and at that while I could not even stand. But from then to now, you see a lot of difference, a lot of difference. So that definitely helped.
Yeah, Yuri. Today, as we see, I don't have to tell you about Congress anything. You know what the Congress is going through. It seems to be a divided lot as of now. Several statements coming, all three MLAs going in three different directions. Then you have an inexperienced president who takes the fourth direction. How do you plan to go into 2027 with all these things? Yeah, Yuri?
See, I believe, first of all, the reason if you are spotting certain things is because Congress is a democratic party. Congress allows the voice to be heard. Difference is, I believe, whatever, if this type of perception that is built within Goans, within our state, that everyone is going in different directions, it is not true. Like say for instance, you see the three MLAs, at least the legislative wing, I would have authority to speak, be heading the CLP. I believe that if you see consistently for the last 3 odd years, the pattern in which questions are framed in the assembly, there is a sequence. We club our questions, we decide on the strategy. Even you will never ever see differences even for one time in the legislative assembly within the three of us. When it comes for the party is first. With regards to the Congress party, see, it was definitely a difficult task at that particular time. You had a young president, but over the period of time, everyone had basically सगळे म्हणूंक लागले काँग्रेस काबार जातली. आमी सदां म्हणटाले काँग्रेस म्हणटाय ती गोंयकारां रोखतात. From that to base, because people lost faith. Let me be very honest. Defections were engineered. It was very easy for these three legislators as well to shift. It was very easy, but we stayed with our values. By God's grace, I always say we have a legal luminary in the form of Carlos Ferreira and Elton DeCosta, according to me, and I still say that among all the 40 is the sharpest and the smartest MLA. So at how do we discuss? It's not easy to face a brute majority of 33. So you can imagine, Suraj, when you had a Manohar Parrikar, he had 15 given MLAs at that particular given time. So you could create that scene in the legislative assembly. Here we have to do with 3 Congress MLAs, 7 in the opposition. It's not easy, absolutely not easy, because every political party as well has its agenda. But given said and done, the challenge that I had, and I believe that the Congress party has its vote base among all the 40 constituencies. We might be weak in some constituencies, but it is all about channelizing and staying focused. You have to channelize that energy. For instance, my primary focus, if you look during the parliamentary election, I concentrated more in the south, concentrated in the north as well, but primarily in the south. We could win. We were fighting against the third richest candidate in the country. No one said it would go through. Everyone got us out, but I knew there was focus, there was a goal. We fought for Captain Viriato Fernandes. It is not easy to get a sitting MP's ticket out. In fact, I think he's the only member of parliament that the Congress party did not give a ticket. A sitting member of parliament. It was not easy. But the president, me, we went ahead. We said that this was the need of the hour. At that particular time, organized the campaign. We won that. You see now, say for instance, even the Zilla Parishad elections, everyone tried to underestimate. I was very confident that we would we win the South district comfortably. And I believe the idea was that the Congress party and all other political parties should understand. It's very simple. If we divide, आमी जर तर आमचे मध्ये divide झाले, BJP तेजो फायदो घेता. BJP has all the muscle. It uses the state machinery. It is a well-oiled machine. It is going to try to divide us. If we divide and fall for that, if we fall for that prey, then definitely the BJP is winning again. But it's a very simple formula. We forget our ego, forget our differences, keep them at your home, in your drawer. Come out when you come with the people with an open heart. And I'm confident with the way the party is moving around after the Zilla Parishad results as well. The Congress party will definitely form the government in 2027.
that all said and done, you spoke on the issue of defections. See, that has hurt the party very very badly. It has hurt the party in 2019. It same happened in 2022. In 2019, 10 went, and now within the span of 3 years, another 8 went. So basically, Congress has lost 18 MLAs within a span of two different terms, definitely. But how do you go to the people, and what is the people's reaction? Now, see, you're young, Amit is young, all the inexperienced people around, and most of the experienced people have now gone to BJP. So, how does is this blessing in disguise, and what has been the people's reaction?
See, definitely, Suraj, as I told you, defections are designed by the Bharatiya Janata Party. These are instruments basically to lure MLAs for their personal development, for corruption, for their own benefit. Defection doesn't benefit the constituency. You can see, for instances, the way these defectors are crying. They are openly saying that that was the biggest mistake that they did. Yes, the people of Goa, and I'm thankful to the people of Goa for, despite these defections, I know it's not easy, but definitely there is a change. There is a young brigade at the helm of affairs. We are not doing what mistakes were done in the past. You see, it is such a sorry state of affairs that these so-called people who defected, or several other people present in the Pramod Sawant cabinet, if you look, most of them have had everything on the behest of the Congress party. They've been given all as party presidents, ministers, chief ministers, yet they talk on the Congress. So what do you call these people? What do you call these people? These are not, they have sole गातके मरे. काँग्रेस हा हुस्तार, आमदार जाले, प्रेसिडेंट पार्टीचे जाले, मंत्री जाले, मुखेल मंत्री जाले, खासदार जाले, इतले करून today you are ditching the Congress party. It is this mother that gave you all birth, gave place for you all in their womb. If it was not the Congress party, if that mother would not give birth to you all or give you an opportunity, you would not be. It is like you're acting against, you're speaking against your own mother. So such things, I believe, people are watching. I am confident today. Why am I confident? Is because the way people, the feedback, their views, if you look at it, they are fed up against this corrupt government. As I said, this government under the leadership of Manohar Parrikar, परिवर्तन जावपाक जाय म्हणून एक सुरवात जाल्ली. पण 2012 ते 2024 आतां ह्या 14 वर्सांनी कितलें करप्शन वाडलां. मायनींग स्कॅम म्हणटा. BJPचो प्रेसिडेंट पडहा येयल्लो, नॅशनल प्रेसिडेंट, टॉक अबाउट मायनींग स्कॅम. The mining scam that was projected at 35,000 crores, first of all, there seems to be no PAC report that was tabled. And whatever the CAs have basically pointed out, few hundreds crores, that is still not recovered by this government. And these same people who were asked to be part of the government today were part of the scam, are part of this government. So what are you talking? So it is basically जे पड एक BJP 2012 जे लोकांक एक स्वप्न आशिल्लें की कितें बरें करतलें म्हणून पाड घातलें. सद्या गोंयांत चलता त्यो हफ्ताराज, करप्शन, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, सेल ऑफ लँड. एंड पीपल डेफिनेटली गोंयकार उठ्ठलो. गोंयकार म्हाका सांगता उठला आनीक ह्या सरकाराक बूद शिंगोवपाक रावला. We have to only make sure, see, this is the very important thing, act mutually. Mutually, when I say that we need to understand that there are other political parties itself. Congress has a strong base throughout Goa, there is no doubt about it. But we have, it is आमचो प्रयास जावपाक जाय, and I gave a call of Grand Opposition Alliance. AJ, under this banner, we need to get together and make sure that we do not divide ourselves. It's very, very easy to win the state of Goa. It's absolutely easy. We need to make sure that our egos are kept at home, not when we go with the people. And म्हाका दिसता लोकांकूय जाय ऑपोजिशन एकठांय जालोलें, पत्रकार भावांकूय जाय, सगळ्या जाय. आनी तें जातलें वी सी इट इन द विधानसभा वेन वी फायट. पयलो प्रश्न आतांय विधानसभा येवपा आहा, सेशन येवपा आहा, त्या वेळार पयलो प्रश्न पत्रकार भाव कोत्ता की अरे तुमी एकठांय आसतले युनायटेड ऑपोजिशन, युनायटेड रुलींग आहा कोण कोणाय. सो युनायटेड ऑपोजिशन आसतले तुमी कामू. एंड देन एवरी टायम वेन वी कम आउट इट इज लायक वी आर फायटींग फॉर गोवा. दॅट शूड बी द नीड ऑफ द आर. ऑल्दो पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज आमी गोंयकार पयले आनी हें गोंयकारपण आमी आमगेलें राखतले जाल्यार एकठांय. हें म्हजें मत आसा दॅट वी हॅव टू बी टुगेदर.
Yeah, Yuri, talking about this 2022 defections, there are a lot of things, rumors going around. See, how did you ever come to know that such defections were going to happen? Or secondly, what was there any offer to you at that time?
No. See, what happened is that you should understand that first of all, my upbringing is that strong that I will never be lured for this money and all this type of things. Defections, the day, I believe it was the 7th day, very senior leaders started talking about what is the, what will happen now within the Congress. I believe a lot of these MLAs was pressurized. And when defection was happening, it was people like me, Carlos, Elton, I believe 2-3 other guys as well, that made sure that this never happened. It was continuously happening right from the second month up to when the defections actually happened. We tried to troubleshoot the situation. We told our desk in charge, but the leader of opposition itself wanted to go. So the leader of opposition itself, who was at the helm of affairs, Michael Lobo, was exercising fully to get to that. I never had a single meeting. I made it very clear, and I believe I'd rather sit at home rather than do something like that. By God's grace, I believe that Deva Kurpen, I'm okay. I do not need to get into such type of destructive, anti-democratic, I could say, associate with them when it comes to destruction. And I believe that the ruling people understand today. Otherwise, that the three of us that are there today have kept the party flag high. We have made sure we have exposed this government. We have won elections as well. It is not easy, Suraj, as I tell you, to basically go. As I said, they are a well-oiled machine. They'll try to pinch you. Being a opposition MLA, it is also our role to do works in the constituency. But these guys stop the work in the constituency. You have to face the people as well. But by God's grace, the people of my constituency, I am thankful to Kungolkars for giving me a thumping majority during assembly elections. The same love they gave me during, I believe that Lok Sabha, we performed, I think, one of the best performance that is ever recorded. Even when Congress was in power, we did not get such a lead. Almost close to 6,000 votes lead. That is what was expected. I think that was very critical with the victory of the Congress party as well. And then the recent Zilla Parishad election, I think both my constituencies were the highest leads in the Congress party's kitty. So this is a blessing for me. People also have faith in you when you stick to your principles. And I believe that defection करप म्हणटा तें एक म्हाका दिसता it is not we tried to we tried to put a bill during private members resolution. It was thrown away by the speaker that we should make sure that the anti-defection law is made more stronger. If you want to defect, you resign and go to the voters again, and then you can do whatever you want. See, defection, if you want to defect, you are hurt by your party, you resign, contest on another political party, and then do. That is allowed. So even that was in our agenda of the Congress party during the last parliamentary election. So we are against defection.
Yuri, now as you face the people, you went to ZP Lok Sabha after the defection. Did the people not question you on the trusting the Congress, because that trust deficit is always there after this 18 people moving 10 and 8, how did you face the people like that?
No, my intentions were clear. My mind was clear. I have nothing to hide. I have not defected. In fact, we have moved with the principles of the Congress Party, which is a secular, liberal ideas that the Congress Party's agenda or what Congress Party has done for the state of Goa, right from opinion poll to right from the statehood to the language of Konkani to various other projects. This is what I spoke to the people. And ओय लोकांमध्ये एक हें आहलें की तुमकां नंबर वय दिताय थिंगा तुम धांवता हें जाता तें जाता बट you have to face the people. That is what is reality. You cannot hide away from reality. We went with an open heart and we sat down with the people, and the people accepted us. In fact, now I can definitely see any part of Goa that I travel, the way people are interact, that love for the party has come back. We have to play together, taking the people into confidence. It is, yes, that it will come at sacrifices, but sacrifices, according to me, have to be made. Without sacrifices, you cannot get to where you want to go. So there are other political parties as well. So keeping all of them together, I believe the Congress is the principal opposition party. But we have to work with all other political parties and come to a conclusion. And I'm confident that this definitely will happen.
So there are allegations against you that you have been a soft opposition. Of course, I don't believe it because I have been in the assembly last 2-3 sessions at least. An initial phase, I too understand. Before you answering, I would say that it was your new phase as a leader of opposition, and benefit of doubt had to be given. But from your point of view, what do you think about this soft opposition leader allegations?
No. See, you see, Suraj, I was looking at, you look at a few videos of the past, a recap. Before me, it was Michael Lobo. So how hard was he? Before that, there was Digambar Kamath. How much did he speak? Before that, there was Babu Kaudekar. People of Goa don't even know that the opposition leader Babu Kaudekar ahlam. Did Drineja uloitalo apna ani kide heं kor तें kor. Today, when I speak, definitely it is an approach when we look at what is missing, what is the corruption. We are exposing consistently. I have exposed consistently practically everything. I will not just hit you below the belt or make personal remarks. If you see, I have gone there, studied the subject, gone there, questioned the government, showed that there is a scam, there is a thing involved. And yes, it is something that we do constructively or be a constructive opposition as well, because finally the government is there now, for instance, for the next 10-12 months. They are in power. With the way destruction is happening, we need to course correct and make sure that destruction currently that is happening in the state of Goa needs to be stopped. I take this criticism with a pinch of salt because, as I told you, I like to plan. I like to be focused. I like to concentrate on the real issue where something needs to be troubleshooted, where something needs to be highlighted. Yeah, सगळे इशू जेन्ना आमी चयल्यार थिंग वचोन काणयो सांगप, थिंग वचोन बीस मस्कोरी करप, विधानसभेन जेन्ना पयले सुवातेर हे आमकां टायम दिनी, सारकें असेंब्ली सेशन घेलें. This current assembly session also, budget session has to be a minimum of 15 days. They've kept 14 days. We asked for 25 working days. They never ever. So you can imagine, say for instance, budget discussion 3 dis gele, only 11 dis.
May I interrupt here? Because the chief minister has been always saying that whatever time, the time dina muna allegation karta, amda charges karta. But when they get the time, they run into the well and there is suspension.
No, that is our right.
They are wasting their time.
No. See, I'll tell you. तू आंत सांग म्हाका 14 दीस असेंब्ली, 11 मिनिस्टर हाय, रविनायक बाबना म्हणजे एक मंत्री डिमांडचा 1 दीस प्रॅक्टिकली. मुखेलमंत्री हो कितले पोर्टफोलिओ हाय, म्हणजे एक पोर्टफोलिओचे 1.5 मिनट उलोवप कितले हाय. तो गोल्डन जुबली कोण आहा मरे पोर्टफोलिओ घेवन इतले. सो ते 1 मिनट उलोवप And these are all strategies. See, it is our right to go in the well and speak. We're not given time in something. You're doing faulty policy. You're not listening. If you see, last time cabinet meetings were hidden. You've been into investigative journalism in your young days. Did you hear that you cannot cabinet meetings are not given to the leader of opposition? Answers are not given. What is this top priority? What is the secret in this? What is secret that you're hiding? It was because of this Birch episode. Then Birch episode a bill आडपा एमी cabinet notes आमकां cabinet meeting minutes दिल नाही. So I wanted to connect the dots. But using the speaker, they did this under the speaker's prerogative. So this is not healthy democracy. And why are they scared? तो time dit मुठा. Where is the time? अरे आमका पगार मेटा. We can go practically every alternate month. We should have an assembly to highlight the issues. See, Lokank, you agree that people's issues are taken up there. So why that is the temple of democracy? Amka dista ki we need to go there. Why are they basic? They have a brute majority of 33. And the worst part is तो थोडो टायम मेळटा तितूंतल्या तेंगेले आहाय ते चड गव्हर्मेंटाकूय एक्सपोज कोताय. So where is the question of the chief minister? Basically they know तांकां ते फक्त पानां पुसपाचो प्रयत्न. असेंब्ली म्हणजे पानां पुसपाचो प्रयत्न केलो गेले वोट ऑन अकाउंट केलें गेले मेळ्ळें आंको लूट करपाचो प्रयत्न इतलेंच तेंगे ते गोंयकारां पासत गोंया पासत कांयच ना.
Being a leader of opposition now, since you are into decision making, last time you along with Amit Patkar and others met Rahul Gandhi also. We saw the photographs. Everybody in Goa saw that. How do you think? Do you think what is the idea going behind? What is the work going behind in the pre-poll alliance about this issue? Because that was a hot topic ahead of ZP elections. People wanted pre-poll alliance, but it did not happen except for Go Forward.
No, see, as I said, we have to learn from our mistakes. I believe that I do not believe in a friendly fight. Friendly fight would take kainch na. We need to play, not only to play an election, we have to win an election. Friendly fight म्हणजे concept कितें? I was against it. I completely told the High Command that I am not in favor of this friendly fight type of a thing. You cannot play with an alliance partner in places in having one strategy there and another constituency, another strategy. Number two, I felt that all of us should unite. Now, when I talk about that, Suraj, let me be very clear. For me, the party's interest is first. But the strategy, if you see, कित्याक आमी बाईसा सरकार आमचो जालना कित्याक जालना कित्याक सगळे we didn't have any defectors were not given tickets, young people were given tickets, a lot of strategy was used but we didn't win. We won 11 seats. माकुगडा आहा बाब एल्टना हॉटलान सगळे जेन्ना काउंटिंगा एक दीस कोण सूट बीट घेनिल्ले कॅबिनेट मिनिस्टर बी जाताय त्या वेळार आम थोडे भुरगे आहले सगळे एल्टनागे हॉटला आहले एक दीस म्हणून. बट एंड आय ऑल्सो रिमेंबर waking up that day of the results, and I was cool and composed. I woke up at around 8:30, 8:45, sat down, said a little prayer at the start, and I was confident I was winning. But looking at the score at 11, here such huge anti-incumbency against the government, why did that fail? See, if you look at it, for me, as a politician, as I said, politics is an art of the possible. I've seen this art right from the young age. I've seen in the past, governments were collapsed. In 2004, let me make a special mention. Manohar Parrikar आचो BJPचो सरकार उडयल्लो तेजें सगळें पड उडोवपाचे प्रयत्न जाले. That happened from my house in Varka.
Yeah.
The entire Congress brigade was in my house for 3-4 days. Our desk in charges, Margaret Alva, Priya Ranjan Dasmunshi, they were all there at my house.
That Digambar Kamat time.
Yes, no one felt that Digambar Kamat would come into the Congress party at that particular. He was the deputy chief minister. Yeah. He came from Rajasthan. So definitely it's an art. And I feel if we talk about ideology today. Say for instance, ideology आमी राखपाक जाय, तुजी ideology कितें म्हजी ideology कितें. अरे ideologyचे जरी तर आमी उलयतले जाल्यार ideology जरी तर राखतले पावरां येवपा जाय. बीजेपीची आयडियोलॉजी जरी तर आमी बीजेपी विरुद्ध न्हू, आयडियोलॉजी विरुद्ध, आनी ती आयडियोलॉजी जरी तर बंद करतले जाल्यार आमी इलेक्शन जिखपा जाय. जिखपाक बीजेपी विरुद्ध जे पड सगळे आहाय तांकां एकठांय करपा जाय. एकठांय करून आमी एकठांय जावन बीजेपी विरुद्ध वचपा जाय. फक्त जरी तर हांवें म्हळ्यार दीस इज माय आयडियोलॉजी, दीस इज युअर आयडियोलॉजी, दीस इज अनदर आयडियोलॉजी, देन are we going to win an election? Here, the BJP is a well-oiled machine, boss. They have Panna Pramukh on each page. They have who's going to do this for the next 10 days, who's going to do this. So we are fighting a well-oiled machine. They have everything, muscle, money, state machinery, ED, IT, CBI. Everything is with them. What do we have? We have the people. And the people's wishes is that we have to unite, channelize it properly, keep the Congress party's agenda within the people of the state, rather than, आमचे मते जरी तर तूं कित कोतलो हांव कित कोतलो, अरे तें फाटल्या बॅक बर्नराचेर तर आमकां गोंयकारपण पयलां.
But did you tell the party high command?
See, what I discussed with the party high command is part of a strategy. I would not possibly put it out to the press as part of a strategy. But yes, definitely the need of the hour is that all of us should unite. I was very, very straight with our tallest leaders, President Mallikarjun Kharge ji, our leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi ji, K.C. Venugopal ji, our desk in charge, that unitedly we have to fight these elections. And as keeping Goa's interest or the Goa's focused first.
Yeah. Is the Congress paying the price for 2004? Digambar left the BJP and came to Congress. Now again he has left the Congress and gone to BJP.
No, see, what I'm trying to tell you.
No, I understood, because the defection, that time also it was defection, again this time also it's defection.
See, at that time he had resigned.
Yeah. Okay.
It was not a defection. Yeah. At that time he had resigned.
Yeah.
So it was a resignation.
Okay.
And he contested.
But he left the party and came back.
See, leaving a political party is the prerogative of every individual. Yeah. I mean, if you are facing the electorate, and that particular electorate gets you elected, that means that is democracy. Nothing stops us. That is nothing stops us like that. But today, as I tell you, we need to get 20 plus single largest majority. And I'm confident. And day in, day out, we are focused that the agenda is to make sure that the Congress make sure that we unitedly, कित्याक थोड्यांक तें लायक जावचें ना, थोड्यांक लायक जावचें ना, that when I'm speaking to you today, some people will be, no, we have to go alone, we have to do this, we have to. But as leader of opposition, it is my duty as well to look at what went wrong, what we did in 2022, where did we go wrong. Say for example the RG party kitli got almost close to 9-10% vote share. How much did they get for the Zilla Parishad election? How many? Close to 9%. So can you rule out 9% of the voters? Can you rule out? I'm just giving a proposition. No. So definitely it is म्हाका तरी तर कोण म्हणलें ना तूं लिडर ऑपोजिशन तूं थिंग कांयच कोन्ना आनी कितें कोन्ना दॅट मिन्स दॅट त्या मनशाक मागीर आनी पद दिवपू. We need to have patience, we need to sacrifice, our parties has sacrificed so much. Our leaders have lost their lives, they are losing their lives. What is there to bury your ego? Or ego again हुई दे आमी ना म्हाका हेच नाका तो एस जालो तो देस जालो. It's not a permanent chair. See, I'm prepared tomorrow, even if people, say for instance, आता एक अनेक चर्चा जाता, अरे who should hate this, who should become the face, अरे पयली इलेक्ट जावप पयलें न्हू, लोकांक ग्रास रूट कनेक्ट दवरप. That is what we need to see in every political party. I think this is an answer. Let us unite first. Look at these differences between us. We should forget. Let us make sure we act as mature leaders. Because आमचे भुरगे, आमचे जे मुखार future generation आहे, they will laugh at us. अरे तूं इलेक्ट जायनासतना तूं मुखेलमंत्री जावपा भोंवतालो, तूं मुखेलमंत्री जायनासतना आनी कितें जावपा भोंवतालो. You know, it's a I look at it absolutely immature. Because for me it is winning the state. For me it is working against this corrupt BJP government, working against their faulty policies, working against the unemployment जे पण आज लोकांक त्रास जाता. All this you can see, Suraj, and you know it well, that the way this government जे पण BJP येयल्ले पयले, अरे परिवर्तन जालां आनी सद्या कितें जाता, फक्त हिंगा सेल ऑफ लँड, कन्वर्जन ऑफ लँड वयता थिंगा डे इन डे आउट. Every day you see so many lands being converted. No carrying capacity. No in the state of Goa. तूं हिंगा आतां जेन्ना हिंग इंटरव्यू तुका उदो सारकें येता काय कितें, 24/7 उदो येता, 2 वरपासूय नाही सारकी. माय
The thing is, my next question, last two questions, it's been a very lengthy one, but last two questions. Do you see Vijay as your rival within the opposition? So there are debates going around in Goa that Vijay is a better opposition leader. How do you take to this criticism?
See, let me tell you one thing very seriously. The leader of the opposition is the leader, is the definition in the book of a political party that has the highest number of members. So leader of opposition, example is only one.
None.
Okay. There cannot be two leader of oppositions. Can there be two chief ministers?
No.
Now, the same question, I'll come to your question originally. Say, for example, if you say that Digambar Kamath is a better chief minister than Pramod Sawant, or Vishwajit Rane wants to become chief minister, so ते हांकां येना, येता कांय जाणा न्हू, कोण उलयना, कोण चड एक्सपिरियन्स्ड आहा कितें तें. I think these are questions first that need to be answered. I have our families are associated, as in Vijay Sardesai, my father, have been very close friends, much close friends than you and me. And this association is something that is for so many years. I think right from his early teens, he was associated with our family. I've seen him practically helping my dad out during parliamentary election when my dad contested, and they've been friends. So you have to learn. For me, it's not, I'm at the helm of affairs. It's my duty not to divert who's what and who's what. It's my duty to perform. And definitely, he's a senior leader. He has a lot of experience. When we meet, we speak about strategies. We talk what should be done, what should not be done. It's something that you need to respect. That's it. And there is always love, mutual respect for all the legislators within the opposition. You can speak to them. It's not that I have acted selfishly. Now, in my destiny, if it was to sit on that chair and to perform, then it is in my destiny. If it is in someone else's destiny, it will be in his destiny. I never thought that I would be leader of opposition at such a young age. In fact, I never thought that I would be into politics. Yes. But my journey has been such. It's not easy, I'll tell you. It's a crown of thorns.
You started with that. I know. Last one uncomfortable question to you. In the assembly, we have heard in actually 2 times at least I've been witness to it. People, when you talk, you make a serious allegations against any minister, or they just stand up and talk about this smuggler's family. How do you act to this?
See, let me tell you one thing very clear. Okay, you check various orders right from the Supreme Court or the High Court order. You show me one order. Wherever my family has been implicated. Show me one order. We have one in all the courts. So that is something, when they speak, they might be speaking of themselves.
They're going personally, right?
No, because some within the within the ruling are involved in that and cases are, so maybe these ministers are possibly speaking about them. See, it doesn't help me, boss. It doesn't matter. We've seen this. We've seen our family struggle. म्हणजे हांव आलेमांव येयलो म्हणटरी आतां तूं धर तूं एक दवलीकर वो तूं म्हणजे तूं हें आमी चोयलें हिंगा तुगेलें हांवें कितें नरकासुरा तुका प्रेम ना सारकें पूण थिंगा नरकासुरा टायमाक एक बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट जालो तें हांवें काडप. So
So you're making a making an allegation here.
no, I'm not making any allegation. I'm just telling you these things happen. So I have nothing. It's not nothing personal that you try to allege. It was alleged at a particular time. Let us respect the fact that it was alleged. But you check. We have one in every court. For example, whatever you are using the term, where was it found?
Yeah,
Do you
no
know?
evidence here.
So then you yourself are saying there is no evidence. So
No,
where is the
that's
question?
what I'm saying. There's no evidence. What you are trying to say, but yes, I felt it. I should ask you this question because I've seen it twice in the assembly.
See, when this episode happened, I might have been 4 or 5 years old. So you might have also kids that are 4 or 5 years old.
Yeah.
You understand, no? So, but we've seen this. This doesn't alter. I am focused. This is एक प्रयत्न डायवर्ट करपाक काँग्रेसान कितें गोंयचे पासत केलें तें लोकां मुखार आहा आनी हेच मनीस काँग्रेसान आशिल्ले आज काँग्रेसा विरुद्ध उलयता म्हणजे एक कितें म्हणटा. वॉट डू यू कॉल दीस? वॉट डू यू कॉल दीस? दीस इज नथिंग बट डायवर्ट. दिस आय एम क्वायट फोकस्ड and I'm quite content. Doesn't matter whatever they say.
Yeah, thank you, Yuribab. You gave us your precious time and you answered all our
thank you.
questions.
Thank you.
Actually, just on one phone call, you came all the way. He was traveling with his father. He came back from Bangalore and straight to the studio, and he answered all our questions, including some uncomfortable ones. I thank you for all this. And actually, being a young, dynamic politician, he has a great future as he talks in the assembly. We all know. We wish him all the best. Devore.
Thank you.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.